Hello everyone. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Shubham Mittal and I have been training management students for past 3 years. And for the past 3 years, my score was around like 99 plus in QA and DI and LR. Okay, so basically in this session we are going to discuss IIFT, and our major point of view is DI, data interpretation, how to tackle DI in IIFT. First of all, in IIFT, as such, there are no fixed number of questions in IIFT entrance exam. Number of questions may vary from number of questions may vary from 115 to 130. If we look if we look for around past 3 year trends. Number of questions may vary from 115 to 130. Okay, and out of these questions, around 20 questions are from DI. But DI plays a major role in IIFT. Why? Because DI in IIFT is like a bit different from DI in CAT. Now, how DI in IIFT is different from CAT is like this. First of all, the most important chapters in DI in IIFT are tables. The second one is bar graph, or you can call it as histogram. And third one is parts. These three topics are very, very important in IIFT as far as DI is concerned. But in CAT, these topics are not that important. Now, and again, how DI in IIFT is different from CAT is obviously these three topics are important, plus the most important thing in IIFT is calculation. The paper of IIFT is going to test your calculation skills. How do you calculate? Okay, so most of the question in DI in IIFT are calculation intensive. Calculation intensive. So it's not about understanding the set. It's all about calculation in IIFT. Calculation may be like this. You have to do 10839 into 319 around 10 to 20 times to solve one question. So it's really very, very, very important that your calculation skills needs to be very, very, very good in IIFT. So this is the major thing. And one more thing, there are many tricks that how can you tackle IIFT DI questions in IIFT that we'll discuss in the upcoming session. Okay, in the next session we'll discuss how to tackle DI questions in IIFT. Okay.